Now, if I ofika kuwe and give you a song, you take the song and give it to somebody else, and then yet again, uzobuya wena uthi ngoma yami. That's wrong, bazalwane. Now, what I'm emphasizing, especially to abantu abasenzele imiculo, yes, you compose, but uthunyiwe to deliver the message to people. There is no one oza ebantwini ophathiswa amandla ayothi amandla akhe. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, ngiyabona ngathi ngiyayijulisa kakhulu bazalwane. Inkinga yami ukuthi manginike le platform ngibe nokushumayela khona. Kodwa ke bengila ku Hope and Faith. If a song is being composed, the reason we sing, we want to praise. And umlayezo lo sobe sukonveya has to be umlayezo esithunywe ngawo to ukuthi siyodlulise ebantwini. Amen.
Amen.
We don't just sing. Music has to have isindo. Music has to have amandla. Lawo mandla lawo siwathatha kithi. But we need to understand ukuthi if ingoma yehlile kuwe, akusiwena olele wayiphupha ingoma yokuthi iyehle ibe ngeyakho. But there is a vision noma mhlambe i-message uNkulunkulu ayiconveya kuwe to say ngicela ukuthuma uye ebantwini. That is why ngithe mangicala ukukhuluma lana ngithi mina uNkulunkulu uthuma umuntu emntwini. Amen. That's Hope and Faith. So izingoma zethu eyiningi. That's why whenever we sing it, we have faith, we have hope. Which at the end of the day there will be redemption. Amen. Sisasonke bazalwane. Ngizoya ku number 2. Ngithenza u3 lento engizoyideliver lana namuhla and then ngizo step down ngivuluka ka MC. Number 2 is overcoming challenges. Many gospel singers encourage listeners to persevere through difficulties. Mhlambe ngithi kunama challenges esiwafaceayo emhlabeni. Uyibone na ukuthi I can't do it no more. Uyazi mphathi wami ubaba uNtentezi ngithi mhlambe uma ngihambela nje ngizizwa ukuthi namuhla ngiphansi. There's a song engihlale ngiyicula ngizwa nje ukuthi uma ngihlabelele yona there's hope evelayo kimi. Ngiye ngihambe nje endleleni noma mhlawumbe ngiyiwane endlini ngisho ukuthi Nkosi namandla uyakilwe lesipi Jesu namandla uyakilwe lesipi. Right there party ngifacene na this challenge engazi ukuthi ngiyovercome kanjani, but I know ukuthi uma ngiyolala namuhla ngimbizile there is something that is bound to happen ngakusasa kwakhona uma ngivuka. So that is why ngithe mangicala ngikhuluma nge-hope and faith. Manje le hope and faith ngiyiconveya noma mhlawumbe ngiyayitransfera ngiyiletha to the challenges esiwafaceayo siyabantu to say now mhlawumbe uma sekwenzekile you need to have that one song eyakhona uku-uplifta your soul as a chorister. Because siyabhalelwa mhlawumbe ngithi noma our leaders basilethela leyo message leyo, but it has to have a meaning. Because one thing about a message eyankulunkulu angeke nje ize yehle emazulwini yehlele emhlabeni ifike ingenzi lutho. Kungenzeka mhlawumbe ingasibambi sonke same time, but kunoyedwa ozosinda kulokhu uNkulunkulu ayobakwehlisile ngaleso sikhathi leso. Amen. So this hope and faith kuhamba konke with, if you're facing those challenges, have that hope and have that faith yokuthi angeke nje ngivuke kusasa kufana nanamuhla. The spiritual strength, that's number 3. The gospel music can provide spiritual motivation and comfort. It can provide spiritual motivation and comfort. I am so like ngijabule kakhulu to all of the choirs that were there or that were here on stage. There was no song yakatolo lo 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 ta la 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 la. Amen. There was no song yakatolo lo ta la la. Now you were confused. Tolo lo ta la la. Where are we going? Where are we going? And then we have to follow that. City. What message is there? Music, bazalwane. It has that thing. It portrays a peace for music. Amen. There is something that is bound to happen. So that's why I get so disappointed in party if I have my leader here something. We cannot be singing that. Tololo, talala. Where are we going? Siapi. Amen. And I believe there's one song, but it portrays now there is a meaning unto that. Amen. So we don't have to just stereotype. Okay. There is that thing to say that if we Amazayoni are making a contest, sinoqindezelana sodwa. Sinoqindezelana phansi sisodwa. Kodwa sibuye sayifuthi sayiphothela le message ukuthi uNkulunkulu munye. But we're not doing it right, bazalwane. That is why I started by saying we need to invite uNkulunkulu kuwo konke sikwenzayo. Even our leaders. The reason I'm speaking about leaders, bazalwane, there's that huge attitude njengama leader. I don't want to lie. Inkulu kakhulu. Inkulu. But at the end of the day, siyobantina ukubakhuza. Siyobantina. But what I'm portraying today, bazalwane, we need to have, especially I'm glad with our leaders are all here. We need to have little levels around when you portray a song, it is not your song. Because remember, the song, awumane uyicule wedwa. I wonder if it happens ukuthi umuntu oyedwa unama voices awu7, unama voices is awu7. Bekazokhona ukuhlabela ingoma yedwa. But because you are with people, understand them. What you are going to bring to the people, please make sure ukuthi you do not make it yours. Amen. You do not make it yours. Now, bazalwane, those bangazio says fine. I'm not the one in pulpit mhlawumbe stage. Kodwa ngiyabonga lethuba engilitholile today to come and convey some of izinto esihlangabezana nazo mhlawumbe eZayoni noma ukukhula kwethu. But ukukhula komuntu bazalwane, mina I refer to ukuthi umahlahla sizokhona ukumila bestrong kunalokho esikudingayo. Now kulokho esikudingayo ihlahla it's able ukuthi sithele lezo ithelo lezo ikhona, because from my understanding kumele kube nomhlabathi ukuze kumile ihlahla, bese kuba nehlahla ukuze kuyovela igatsha. bese kuba negatsha ukuze kuyovela elifu. Now zonke lezi zinto lezi has one foundation, umhlabathi. So bazalwane, in everything that we are doing, makhwayas wethu amahle, in everything that we are doing, let us try by all means to invite God in it. Because without God, let God be our foundation. Because without Him, we are nowhere. Bazalwane, ngicela ukubonga nali thuba. Ngibonge nesikhathi senu sokuthi.
Isiparisethu esithi siyabonga kakhulu. Uyakhula kusayona wethu. Chilo ngathi mina ubaphathi bami yafuna ukuthi singathathi labo esibajwayele ukuthi bayakhuluma, sithathe labo esingabajwayelanga bazosinika the full message. Yeah, hey, shubile with bank a civic theater. Yamathikithi siwathole computer ticket. Aswathenganga kusisi Nomsa. So now, siya introduction noma bese siyenzile kodwa sizoya kuyo uMr NS Gininza we association chairperson uzoza azosithulela konke okumayelana naleli langa bazalwane. Ngiyazi mina bazalwane ebasethe ukuthi isimo leso sisalungiswa, ningadideki nje bazalwane. Ya baba Mfundo Zozwakhe Baba Madumane.